This screencast is going to go through how to customize images on Canva to use with Nearpod's new drag and drop activity. And Nearpod already has some basic templates for you that you can choose to use, but I really like to customize the way things look. So I'm going to start off by labeling it. I'm going to go ahead and have Ancient Egypt. And I would like students to compare that to Mesopotamia. And then the next thing I'm going to do is go into uploads and upload an image. Now I've already done this because I have a map that I wanted to use that has both ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia on it. I'm going to crop it down a little bit. Then I'm going to resize it just so it works better for what we have. So here we go. So I have Mesopotamia and I have Egypt, and I need to go into the elements. This time I want to do graphics. And I'm going to select lines and shapes and go down until I find the rounded off square or rectangle. So normally I would use the circle, but because I'm using this map, I'm going to choose to use the rounded off rectangle. I'm going to make it darker, wider, and then position it over the correct parts of the map. Okay, so I did one, and now here's my other one. The next thing I'm going to do is fill in the middle. I'm actually going to just do a shape and make it white for the middle so that the things that are in common between ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia are easier to see. So that's what I have here. And then the last thing I want to do is make the map a little bit more transparent so the Venn diagram really sticks out like that. Okay, so now I am going to download this as a JPEG. I don't need all the pages, I only need page 5, so I'm going to select that and I'm going to download it. Now you can see I am in Google Slides, and to get to Nearpod, I had to go to Add-on, Nearpod, and then open it up to get it in this side column. And to add the drag and drop activity, I just select it. I'm going to start by adding whatever directions you want. So for this, I'm just going to say complete the Venn diagram, and I'm going to add a background. You can see some of the examples, T-shaped, equals, 3-column, 4 columns as ones that were pre-created, but the whole purpose for this is I wanted something that was customized. So I'm going to click Upload Image. I'm going to go to my downloads, Egypt and Mesopotamia, and that sets it up. Now, I have 2 options for this. I could have text labels and have students move those on the map, or I kind of want to use images for this. So I can add images. You can either use things that you have already downloaded to your computer, or you can search for things. So I'm going to search ziggurat and go with an image. It will give you the option of a size, and then you click done and it adds it. I'm just going to do a couple of these as an example. Okay, so I'm just going to use those as an example, and then I will click Save. When the students see this, they'll be able to drag and drop the images onto the map. So that was how to use Canva to create an image as a customized background for a drag and drop activity on Nearpod.